My new package is ready. It was right here, man. And I have this thing. I had so much time, and then I have no idea what Chinese is. Time Canada daily alarm. Support display, countdown on Canada. Pacer display. You can do this. This is all in English. Left illustration. M. Where's M? M mode.
Gani mao. Imposible magyud nga walay gulitanan.
That's cool.
Gibutan na ng X, no? Patubayan na.
Okay.
Ayaw lang nakabili magugan.
Dali na siya mukha.
O pilit niya makuha na siya. Asan man to? Tanong balik. Yan ang tulungan. Ayaw ha.
Oh, see, it's in English. This is in Chinese.
Ayaw na susugot kaya ba't niya mag...
Wala po, lupa, dorag, helicopter.
Linis.
I'm done. I'm very hot. This is what it looks like. Sorry if it's like sideways. And then when I try to turn off the lights like this, it can light up. Look.
Light.
See? Look. I'm just going to set it. Set.
Ano pa kung kita gulitanan?
I want to see.
Dagan yung nakita.
Look, 20s, 2002.
Light.
Okay.
Light. Pag
Ika man.
ulan naman ba, kami mapaanak. Balik na yun, yan na.
Hindi na. Mag-ano sa ka, mga disata.
I'm done.
Makalit na yun.
Mode. Saturday. So this is what the real time looks like. I like pressing right here because it's cool. Because look, light. I have the alarm. Stopwatch. This is stopwatch. Very cool. Start. stop recall. Mode. Restart. Mode.
Tambalanan.
Mode.
Tambal. Inuman na.
Restart.
Kung ano na nambal. Ginita na.
How do you... How do you turn stopwatch? No.
Siya karoon ang gina. Katong. Katapako.
L, where's L?
Diba? Wala ko yung mana. Ito yung ano ang talog mo. Yeah! Are you done?
What's wrong with this? I'm just
It's
Oh,
not working.
no. It's about working and then I don't know how it works. Yeah, it looks right. I'm done. That's it for today. Boy, you just do this.